Java provides for multiple value control flow using a switch statement. Unlike if-then and if-then-else statements, the switch statement can have a number of possible execution paths. A switch works with the byte, short, char, and int primitive data types. It also works with enum types, strings, and the wrapper classes character, byte, short, and integer. Here is an example switch statement. The body of a switch statement is known as a switch block. A statement can be labeled with one or more case or default labels. The switch statement evaluates the expression and causes control flow to jump to the code location labeled with the value of this expression. This means if we pass WED as a parameter, that it jumps to the label or case WED and will print that statement. If there is no matching label, then control flow jumps to the location labeled default. If we put in NOP, it will print out the default message. This is the only explicit jump performed by the switch statement. Flow of control falls through to the next case if the code for a case is not ended with a break statement, which causes control flow to jump to the end. If we don't use a break, then it will print out the case we found statement plus the ones below it until there is a break statement or we get to the default statement. Here, if we put in MON, and we don't have any break statements, it will print out all the cases below it as well, including the default message. A statement can have multiple case labels as shown here in this code. We can execute the code with any of these cases and it will print out the same statement. Deciding whether to use if-then-else statements or a switch statement is based on readability and the expression that the statement is testing. An if-then-else statement can test expressions based on ranges of values or conditions, whereas a switch statement tests expressions based only on a single entity like a string or an enum type.